Hello, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing a look using the 35T Morphe palette. I feel kind of girly today. I want to try something very soft and pink. Hopefully the colors in this palette will help me achieve that look. So if you guys are new here and you want to see this look, stick around and don't forget to press the subscribe button right here. Alright, so let's get moving with this pretty pink look. First, I'm going to prime my face with the Sisley primer. This was a pretty penny, but I think it works really well. It's very tacky on your skin. Just put it around your whole face. It feels tacky at first, but after a while, it starts to kind of feel a little smooth. And then I'm going to spray my face with the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus Goldlite, just to kind of wake me up a little bit. This is going to just freshen me up and kind of like smack me and say, wake up. Onto my Prairie foundation. This is in the color Porcelain Blush. Let's load up this face with some full coverage. Just like that. This is already full coverage, so you don't need to put a lot. Just put like a little and it'll go a long way for sure. Blend it out with your foundation brush. Going in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the color Light Neutral. Let's cover up all those pimples that have been appearing on my face lately. Dab the concealer with the Beauty Blender. It's going to give you a more full coverage. And if you want a softer look, then just streak it. Just stroke it this way and spread it. Now it's time to load my face up with some loose powder. Bake this face, make it nice and smooth. Using the Prairie loose powder, just going to bake underneath my eyes, on my nose, basically the T-zone. Once again, pushing it in to get that full coverage. Alrighty, moving on to eyebrows. I'm going to be using this color right here to fill in my eyebrows. Most palettes that have a lot of color will have a light brown or a dark brown to fill in your eyebrows, so you don't have to go buy them separately and just get a lot of product. So very universal palette. And I'm using my 263 brush. Eyebrows are filled in, and now I'm going to go in and define it some more with my brow styler in the color Universal Dark Brown #1. Give it some hair-like strokes right here. Lately, I've been digging this technique, drawing in faux eyebrows because I have none. Once again, always want what you can't have. I love this. Like, it's so great to go in and kind of like get in detail if you want it to be more sharp. This is great for it. With my Anastasia brow gel in the color Chocolate, just give it a nice coat for some more texture. This will help give you that effect that you have more hairs. It'll blend everything together very nicely. And now, moving on to the eyes, using my S142 brush, I'm gonna go into this color right here, swoop this over my lids like that, into the hollows, and then go back and forth. If it's too much product, you can go back and forth and blend it out and share them with both eyes. Sometimes I have a heavy hand, so I have to kind of share it. Sharing is caring. Pull it out here as well as the other side. So just keep going back and forth till you see that it's blended how you like and there's no streaks or unevenness. Take this brush and go into the same color and smoke out your bottom eyes. With my S127 brush, going into this color right here, it's a nice deep kind of mauve pinkish look. I think I want to do a halo eyes today, so let's do that. Place it on the outer corners of your eyes right here. Blend it upwards, outwards, just 1/3 ways, and then same thing on the inner corners, just 1/3 ways. And then connect it on the top right here, leaving this section right here to kind of pop out so you can add in a color to highlight it and create that effect that is a halo eye look. Same thing on the bottom, just the inner and the outer. leaving the center alone. Next up, I'm going to go into this pretty pink color right here. And then place it in the middle of my eyes on the bottom right here. And then moving on to the top area, shading in that lid that's missing. Let's move on to highlighting my eyes. I'm going to use the MAC Cosmetic Beaming Blush. And with my S127 brush, I'm going to dig into this color and give me some life in my eyes. Underneath my eyebrow bone, this is kind of like cleaning up that area and making everything sleek. Then a little bit on my upper eyebrow bone. Give some love right there. And a tad on my temple right here. Eyes are nicely highlighted, and now I'm going to line my lashes on the upper lash line and the bottom lash line with my mini Stila Intense Black Stay All Day Waterproof Liner. I got this for free because I bought too much makeup. Good deal. Now moving on to curling my lashes to prep them for my falsies. Then I'm going to coat my bottom lashes with the Bad Gal Bang Mascara by Benefit Cosmetics. Love this mascara. I'm going to get myself a full-size one. So good. Now it is time to pop on some Pupe eyelashes. These are my favorite ones in the Style Dramatic. If you guys want some, please email me at unmin@unmin.net. Get them real close to the lash line. And then push them up with the tweezer. Push them up however you like. I kind of like them really high. If you like them low, just push them down, wait till it dries, and it'll stay there all day. Lashes are on, and now it's time to swoop off all this mess. The Morphe palette 35T has a lot of fallout. Sometimes their palettes are great, and sometimes it's really like messy. Oh my goodness. Let's get all this mess off my face. Ever so slightly. With the Chanel Natural Loose powder, this is a finishing powder, I'm going to just set my whole face together. Baking is done. It's time to set this face. It smells so good. Going in with my Hoola bronzer by Benefit and my S103 brush, I'm going to warm up my face a little bit more. There's a lot of baking, so now we're going to give it some color. My jawline right here, bring it downwards to my neck, blend it out together. Also on my cheekbones, keep shaving it down until you're super thin and you look like you lost a lot of weight when it's only the angle and contouring. And then with the excess powder from the bronzer, I like to kind of just brush all over my face to bring that warmth to that area. My forehead as well, just to bring it all together and focus on that T-zone. Got it together? Get it together. Let's snatch this nose. Right now it's looking very blobby. Using the Hoola Benefit Bronzer and this brush right here, pencil brush, going to thin out my nose. There's my new nose. If you guys want it thinner, just draw the lines closer to each other and then blend it out. If you want it bigger and thicker, it's up to you, then draw them further out. For me, I like a thin, pin, straight, pointy nose. Super snatched. Now I'm going to use the same highlighter beaming blush and go back into my nose highlight and my cheekbone highlights. And my cheeks. And my cupid's bow. Right here. Tip of my nose. And then bridge. And next up, I'm going in with my Patrick Starrr blush in the color I'm Not Blushing. This is from the Miso Chic collection. Very pretty blush. I'm using my S110 brush. Next is the Stargazer lipstick. Look at that. Pretty pink color in the color Stargazer by Anastasia. Going to coat my lips with this lovely color. Last step is to drench my face in the Fix Plus Goldlite. Here's my final look. I hope you guys like it. It has a pop of pink on the lips. I really love the color. This is my first time using it, so I'm really digging it. And The halo eyes are a slight subtle halo, but it still kind of shows through. If you guys want a more vibrant or more notice, make sure that the outer and the inner corners are darker than the center part. So it has to have a huge difference in colors to have that strong halo effect. For this one, it's quite light and subtle, and I'm okay with that. I think it goes really well with the whole look. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to press the like and subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys next time. Any questions, concerns, or requests, please let me know. Let me know what your thoughts are. Email me at unmin@unmin.net or leave a comment below. Sound off below, and I will try my best to do what I can. Thank you. Toodles.